Today I'm going to talk about polymorphism and what it means in object-oriented programming. Polymorphism means taking different forms, and this can relate to methods that are inherited and then changed in a child class compared to the parent class. So let's make a simple vehicle class. Okay, so here we have a simple vehicle class that takes an init function where it defines the name and the speed when the class is created. Then it's got two methods, acceleration and brake. Now we're going to inherit this class with two other classes, car and truck, and then we are going to override the acceleration and the brake method, which will then show you how to use polymorphism. Okay, so here we have a car class that inherits the vehicle class. And as you can see, it has an init method, okay? But you'll see it calls the vehicle init method, as you can see there, from the class that it inherits. Then it's got two methods, acceleration and brake. Now you'll see these are exactly the same as these two here. However, the value that it's increasing and decreasing by has now changed. So these methods, although they're exactly the same and they can exist independently, these methods overwrite these methods when you call them from the car class. If you call these from the vehicle class, which I will also demonstrate, then it will be referring to these methods. It will not confuse the two. They are totally independent. Okay, I'm just going to make one more method here to display the values in a nice way, just to finish off the class. Okay, now let's make a truck class, and it will also inherit the vehicle class. Okay, so and it basically does all the same things as the car class. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in here and just change the methods to basically make it 2, because a truck obviously accelerates and slows down slower than a car. So we're just going to change the methods, and we'll change. Okay, so there we've got 3 classes, one parent class, vehicle, and 2 children class or child classes, and they inherit vehicle, and then they override acceleration and brake methods from the parent class. And that is polymorphism in a nutshell. Right, so now let's go and demonstrate these classes. Okay, so here I've declared 2 objects, a truck and a car, by using the class definition, and I've passed it in the values, and it will use the init methods, okay, to then set these values. Let's fix that. It's actually display truck, not display car. Okay, so we're going to display the car and let's display the truck. Right, to see all the values, let's run it. Right, so we've got the car and we've got the truck. Right, so now let's call those different methods. Let's accelerate the car. Okay, let's accelerate him twice. Okay, and then we can display the values again. Okay, so we've now accelerated him twice. So let's see, he started off with 200 and now it will be 214. So let's comment this out. So we don't need to see this again. So now it's a little bit more clearer. Okay, 214. Let's brake the car. Okay, so now his speed should drop. Okay. Okay, we haven't displayed it again after. Okay, so let's display the information again. So there we go. Accelerates twice, so it's 214. Brakes once, so it's 27. Okay. So now you can also inherit the base class, which is vehicle. Okay, let's make a generic vehicle called bicycle. Okay, so now we have a bicycle, and you'll see that we can use the methods from vehicle as well. We'll have to print that to see it, so let's display that. Okay, so you'll see it's 20. So it started out as 10. We accelerated it twice, and the speed is now 20. Okay, so you can see that the acceleration from the base class is still usable. You can still call it and still use it, although it's been changed in the classes that then inherit the base class. Right, guys, that is polymorphism. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Like and subscribe to the channel, and have a great day. Cheers.